Hello students, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to discuss about Lala Lajpatrai College of Law. So today we'll discuss how many seats are available in this college का admission process क्या है, and how much score is required in CET Law examination to get admission in this college. So this college is located in Mahalakshmi, which is in Mumbai, and this college is also affiliated to the University of Mumbai. Now talking about the number of seats available in this college. So for 3 years LLB program, this college offers in total 60 seats. एंड जस्ट टू अपडेट, ये कॉलेज में 5 years लॉ प्रोग्राम नहीं होता है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ 3 years लॉ प्रोग्राम ही होता है. सो नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्सपेक्टेड स्कोर रिक्वायर्ड इन 2021 एग्जामिनेशन. सो फॉर 3 years LLB program, if you are targeting this law college, then you need to score more than 106 marks out of total 150 marks to secure admission in this college. And in case if you have started your preparation and you want to know your preparation level, अगर आप जानना चाहते हो कि अगर आप आज की डेट में एग्जाम लिखते हो तो आपके कितने मार्क्स आते हैं, so for that we have launched a mock test on our application. You can download the application from Play Store. Also the link is available in the description box, so you can download it and attempt this free mock test, and you can come to know your preparation level. So now talking about the admission process. So for 3 years LLB program, you need to appear for 3 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. So first step comes here is to prepare for the examination. The next step is to register yourself for the examination. उसके बाद आपको मिलता है हॉल टिकट. हॉल टिकट में जो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर होता है, आपको वो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर पे जाके ऑनलाइन एग्जाम देना होता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू गेट योर रिजल्ट्स, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एक ऑनलाइन सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिशन प्रोसेस होता है जिसको हम कैप राउंड भी बोलते हैं, वेयर यू आर सपोज टू सिलेक्ट द कॉलेज प्रेफरेंसेस, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट आपको एक कॉलेज अलोकेट होता है. वो कॉलेज में जाके आपको डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करना होता है, and then finally you get admission in that particular law college. So this was the admission process. So in case if you have any doubts or any question, you can put your questions in the comment section. Also you can directly contact us on 8383818888. You can also access to our website, that is www.beducare.com. and अगर आपने आपका preparation start नहीं किया है, so you can start your preparation for CET law examination with us. We are coaching classes for Maharashtra CET law examination. We provide classroom coaching in Mumbai. We provide live classes. We also provide video lecture packages, and we provide books as well as mock test. Our application is available on Play Store. Also it is available on Apple Store. So you can download the application and give the mock test, and you can access the other courses as well. So in case if you want to know more about this college, or you want to gain more information about Maharashtra CET law examination, you can feel free to contact us on this number, and you can call or WhatsApp on this number. Thank you so much for watching this video.